One of the best ways to boost engagement on your LinkedIn posts is by tagging people in the posts. So if you're ever doing a post and you want to mention a person, a company page, or an event, I'm going to show you the best way that you can tag to increase your reach, to increase engagement, and to be seen by more people. Let's get into that right now. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Lowell Brown. I run a digital marketing agency called Going Social in Toronto, Canada. Now in this video, we're talking about LinkedIn. And one of the things that I get asked a lot about is how to expand or reach more people on LinkedIn. And one of the ways that I wanted to cover today is all about tagging. Now, what exactly is tagging? Well, we're going to go into screen sharing mode right now, and I'm going to show you what a tag is, how to tag people, what it means, and why that can help you boost your reach. So let's get into that right now. Okay, so we're here on LinkedIn, and this is my feed page. All you would do when you want to come in and create a new post, you come up to start a new post, click in here, a box will open up, and you can start typing. Now, you've done this lots of times in the past, but if you wanted to actually tag people, I'm gonna copy over some text that I have here from a canned post, and I'm gonna pop this in here. So this is a post that says, did you know that the team at Going Social has launched a new Facebook ads training course led by Lowell Brown? Register today at, and I'm including a link. Now you'll notice that right away, because I included a link, this automatically showed a preview. It loaded a preview of that link. So I could, if I wanted to, remove this URL and say register today, click below. So right away, that's just one bonus tip here that when you want to share a link, you can type in the URL, it'll show a preview, and then you can remove that URL if you want. Now, why are we here again? We're here all about tagging. So let me show you all about tagging and how you do that. Now, I've got my name here. Now, what if, as an example, I'm using this, my own name, but if I wanted to tag somebody, all you have to do is type in the @ symbol, and you're going to see a little drop down comes in, and automatically it's showing some names. Now, if I just keep typing my name, you'll see that that preview changes, and it's come up with a couple other Lowells. Now, if I were to keep typing, you can even use spaces here and type my last name. Now there's 3 Lowell Browns that come up. Now, if this is me, of course, and I could select it just by clicking, but even if this was still not finding the right person, another trick, this is another bonus little trick here, is you'd start typing in that person's company, the company that they work for. So if I were to just type in, you'll see that it eliminated all the other 2 because this is the only Lowell Brown that they found. So again, all you have to do is type in that @ symbol, start typing in somebody's name, and it will automatically pop up with a preview, and select that, and you're going to see that now it's bold. You see how it's bold? Well, that is automatically tagged my name. So what does this mean? Well, if I were to publish this post, and I will show you an example of a published post in a second, this will turn into a link in my post. And what that's doing is it's automatically going to tag that person. By tagging that person, what ends up happening is that it will actually link to that person in the post, but it's also going to notify that person that they have been tagged in my post. So not only does it actually tag that person and give them a notification, but it can extend beyond that. So I'm going to go into more detail about this. Let's say I posted this. Now, Lowell, myself, or if I was doing somebody else, let's say I was tagging one of my clients. Let's say I was tagging Mike Lipkin. Just as an example. So if I tagged Mike Lipkin and I shared this post, what would happen is Mike would receive a notification that he's been tagged in my post. So automatically, that's expanding the ability for whoever I'm tagging to be notified that, hey, I've tagged them in a post. And what's going to happen is it's more likely that that person is going to comment on my post as well. So automatically, that's building up my reach. Now, anyone who is a connection with Mike has a better chance also of seeing my post. Why? Because, well, if someone is tagged with in my post, LinkedIn is going to say, hey, so-and-so tagged this person who you follow on LinkedIn. So by tagging people in your posts, what ends up happening is not only does that person receive a notification that they've been tagged in your post, but it also opens up the ability for more people to be notified about my post, because the connections that that person has will also see some note in their feed that so-and-so has been tagged. And the reason LinkedIn does that is because there's a connection or a build, and they want more people to see that somebody has been part of another conversation. So it not only tags the person, but it opens up the potential for more people to be reached who I may not be connected with when I'm posting. And that way I can build up more the likeliness of more people seeing my post. So it's expanding the reach of my post on LinkedIn because I'm tagging people. The same thing happens if I'm tagging a company name. So again, let's go up here where I've got my company name here. And again, just you can do the same thing at mention. And we go back and we start typing. Let's just say we're going to type in going. And again, you just type in the company name and you're going to see that it's going to start coming up here. And right there is my company name. So if I do that, you're going to see now it's converted that to also tag. So did you know that the team at, and it's going to tag my page. So when I do this post, I have the ability of getting more people to connect with my page because I've tagged it. Going Social has launched a new Facebook ads training course led by Lowell Brown. So I'm tagging my own profile. And then I've also got the link here, which shows up on the feed. So if I did this and shared it as a post, you might be asking, how's it going to look? I'm going to show you a post by another one of my clients. And this is Sue. And Sue has a business coaching business. Now, she did a post and she tagged a company on LinkedIn. So you can see that the link is on the bottom there. She has tagged this LinkedIn company page. And if we were to click it, you'll see that it opens up that company page. So right away, she's linked to that company page. But in addition to that, she had tagged a couple other people. Oh, I lost that link. So let me go back and find it. Here it is. So she's also tagged that person or a couple people here. So those people are going to get notified. And she's also included a link to this page. So as you've seen here in this example, you can tag an individual, you can tag a person, all by using those at symbols. So you type the at symbol, you type the name, and you can tag a person. And then when you publish the post, those tags actually turn into a link where it can link to that person's profile, it can link to that company page, and that allows not only those people to be notified that they've been tagged, but it also allows you a better chance of expanding the reach of your organic post, because people who are connected with those individuals or those pages will get notified, hey, Lowell Brown tagged so-and-so in their post, you might be interested in it. So that's a great way when you're doing a post to expand your reach by tagging people and tagging company pages and including links about something that you're doing. So if I'm here in my post and I've tagged it, now one other thing that I wanted to recommend you do is include a couple hashtags. Now, what exactly is a hashtag? Well, you know what a hashtag is. It's just a theme for a topic. So let's say I wanted to do Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, and realtors. So now I've added 3 hashtags, and you'll notice they're bold on here. And this is just to help with organic reach again, because if someone were to type in these topics in search, or there's a increased chance that because I've used these hashtags, people who are following those specific hashtags will get exposed to this post when I share it on as a LinkedIn post. So that was your quick tip for today: how to tag people, how to tag pages, how to include a link, and include hashtags when you're doing organic posts. So if you want more LinkedIn marketing tips, I've got a whole bunch more. Just click the link up here and you can get to my YouTube playlist all about other LinkedIn marketing tips. So that's it for today's quick tip on LinkedIn marketing. Make sure to like and subscribe below so you get notified the next time I create a new video, and you can stay tuned and watch a couple of other videos that I've got coming up right after this. You can just follow along with the links that you're going to see right here to see a couple additional videos that I think you might be interested in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.